Elverrashop.com delivers an exceptionally polished, reliable, and enjoyable online shopping experience that leaves a lasting positive impression from start to finish, making it a destination that customers can genuinely trust and return to with confidence. From the very first moment you land on the website, the smooth design, fast loading speed, and thoughtfully organized layout make browsing effortless and enjoyable, even for first-time shoppers. The product range is carefully curated, offering stylish, modern, and versatile selections that cater to different tastes and needs. Whether you are looking for everyday essentials or something a little more eye-catching, each product is showcased with clear descriptions, accurate details, and appealing visuals that help customers make informed decisions without hesitation. What truly elevates Elverra.com above many other online stores is the noticeable quality of its products. Items feel durable, well-crafted, and premium, clearly reflecting attention to detail and high standards in material selection and finishing. The products arrive exactly as described, reinforcing trust and eliminating the usual uncertainty associated with online shopping. Pricing is very reasonable and competitive, especially considering the level of quality offered, and the value becomes even better with periodic discounts and special deals that make customers feel rewarded for choosing this store. The ordering and checkout process is seamless, secure, and straightforward, ensuring peace of mind throughout the transaction. Shipping is prompt and reliable, with orders arriving on time and packaged carefully to protect the items and maintain their condition. Another standout aspect of Elverrashop.com is its customer service, which is responsive, polite, and genuinely focused on customer satisfaction, making shoppers feel supported and valued at every step. Any questions or concerns are handled quickly and professionally, adding to the overall sense of reliability and care. Altogether, Elverrashop.com succeeds in combining quality products, fair pricing, smooth service, and excellent customer support into one complete and trustworthy shopping experience, making it highly recommended for anyone seeking a dependable online store that consistently delivers satisfaction, value for money, and confidence with every purchase.